how to delete blank page in PDF file in mobile. So this is the PDF that I want to delete the blank page. So let me open it for you to see the blank page in it. Okay, by simply coming to select Google with to open it with. Okay, so as you can see, this is the blank page that I want to delete. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. Okay, so on your phone, simply locate the Chrome icon and then press on it to bring you right here to Google, and then come and search for light PDF. Okay, so light PDF, this is the spelling. Come and then select it, and then come here to the official site of light PDF website, and then come and then click on it, and to bring you right here. Okay, so when you look at the top corner, you are going to see that we have this menu icon. Click on it and then come and then scroll to the bottom. Okay, so when you are scrolling, you are going to see we have edit PDF. So edit PDF is here. Come and then click on edit PDF. Okay, so let's click on edit PDF, and then over here all that you have to do is to simply come and then edit your PDF, and it is totally free. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply come down here, then come and click on choose files. Okay, so when you click on it, come and then select the PDF that you want to remove the blank page. Okay, so I've selected mine, and as you can see, it is uploading. So it has finished uploading, and we are within the edit section of it. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to scroll to the button of the PDF. Okay, and then come and click on it, and then remove a word of it and then type it again. Okay, so just as I'm doing it. Great. And then after that, all that you have to do is simply scroll to the top button and then locate the download icon, and then come and then tap on it. Okay, so as you can see, the PDF is downloading. So all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the download icon, and over here it will ask you to sign in so that you can get your download by putting your email address, your password, then come and click on sign in. If you haven't created an account here, simply come here to where you have sign up and then come and click on it. So when you click on sign up, you can sign up with your email address, and then you create a strong password. Okay, and then come and click on sign up. But I've already signed up already, so I'm going to go with the Google. Okay, so by clicking on continue, and over here, as you can see, the download icon is there. Let me click on it again, and it's going to ask me if I want to download it again. Yes, I want to download it again. So all that I have to do is simply come down here to the download and then tap on it. Okay, and as you can see, it has downloaded it. So let's open it to see. So from here you can see that the page has been reduced to just 2 pages. Before it was 3, and now it is just 2. Okay, so we have successfully removed the blank page. So as I scroll down, you see that there is no blank page here. So this is how to remove a blank page in your PDF. Like the video and then see you in my next video.